AI made iteration cheap, but it did not make judgment cheap. You can generate 100 shots in the time it used to take to light one. Yet the real bottleneck is now inspection speed and inspection accuracy. The machine can render pixels, but it cannot tell you what serves the scene. So treat judging AI output as a craft loop, not a vibe check. You set intent before you generate. Then you inspect specific dimensions, reject what fails, and feedback why. That rejection reason becomes the best input for the next iteration. Here is the counterintuitive part. A director who can name what is wrong will converge in 3 iterations. A director who only says, "It feels off," can iterate forever. They often end up with something pretty that does not work in the cut. Start by inspecting against intent, not against beauty. Before you look at any output, restate the shot's job in 1 sentence. Not what it looks like, but what it must communicate and when. For example, this close-up must show realization, then hold for 2 beats. If the image is gorgeous but misses that job, it is a clean reject. Next, use a fixed inspection order every single time. That keeps you from getting hypnotized by surface polish. Look at shot size and framing first. Then check eyeline and sightlines because they drive meaning. Only then evaluate performance and energy inside the frame. After that, judge edit rhythm and cut point. Then color and palette, then continuity with adjacent shots. Finally, check sound sync and the audio-image relationship. Reject early and reject fast. Your first pass should be under 30 seconds per shot. If the frame is wrong, stop there. Fix the container, then refine what is inside it. Precisions in language is the superpower here. Eyeline is 15 degrees too high is actionable. Cut lands a frame late is actionable. Palette shifted warm is actionable. The performance has no objective is actionable. But it feels weird is not a direction. It is a loop trap. Write the rejection reason like a craft note, not a mood. Another big shift is context. Never judge AI shots in isolation. A shot can look perfect alone and fail immediately in sequence. Eyelines might not match the previous angle. Screen direction might flip. Energy might spike when the scene needs restraint. So always view the candidate shot next to what it cuts from and to. Your standard is whether it works at playback speed in the timeline. To keep iteration from becoming a swamp, use a simple rule. If a shot fails 3 times on the same dimension, the prompt is wrong. Rewrite from the shot's job, not from your last wording. Also, lock 1 dimension at a time. Do not try to fix framing, performance, and color in 1 pass. Lock the frame first, then lock the performance inside that frame. Then lock the color on that performance. You can even direct the machine with reject criteria up front. Say what to reject, not only what to create. Reject if eyeline is above horizon. Reject if palette shifts warm. Reject if motion blur hits the face on the hold. Even when nothing auto filters, those rules train your eye to judge faster. And when continuity is the problem, text is weak. Use a reference still from an accepted shot to anchor palette, framing, and eyeline. Film and music video share the same loop, but different priorities. For narrative film, QA favors continuity, performance truth, and spatial logic. Rejection reasons should be story-based, like the close-up misses realization. For music video, QA favors rhythmic lock, performer energy, and visual identity. You feel it when a cut lands one frame late and kills the downbeat. You also test iconic readability. Can a viewer describe the shot in 3 words, instantly? Here is a practical way to train today. Pick one generated shot from a current project. Write the shot's job in 1 sentence, including what it cuts from, and 2. Generate 3 variations. Inspect in the same order and reject as soon as a gate fails. Keep only the version that passes all gates in context. If none pass, write the clearest rejection reason and do 1 more attempt. Then stop, because stopping is also a directing decision. In the AI era, the director who wins is not the fastest generator. It is the fastest, most precise judge.